Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Lakshmi's One Stop. Recently when I traveled to India, I made this video. We can find wide varieties of urlis available in India everywhere. I thought of decorating it a little bit for this upcoming festival Diwali for my sister's home. Let's see how I did this. I have taken these clay urlis from this Govind Terracottas in Nacharam. This place is near to my sister's home. She has already taken different wide varieties of planters from here. She was taking again, so I thought of visiting along with them and put these clay urlis. This is not a paid promotion. Since I liked it, I was posting it along with my DIY. Today I am decorating all these. These two diya stands can be used at the main door and the clay urli with diyas and the other one is plain. I am using the other one as the base to the clay urli with diyas. Usually I used to do white acrylic paint as the base coat. With my sister's session today I am trying different combination. One part of Fevicol and one part of acrylic paint and mix it with water. She used it before and it was well, so I thought of using it once and try it out. Here I am using sponge for applying the base coat. Wet the sponge a little bit and apply coat for all diyas. Once the base coat is completely dried, I have sprayed the gold paint on the urli. But the spray paint doesn't hold good for this clay pot. So now I am using directly the paint with the sponge. Always do 2 coatings for better look. Here also I have done 2 coatings. If we are using sponge brush, there will be so much of paint left over in that sponge. So here I am decorating all the remaining small diyas at home with this gold paint. This is how these look after the second coating. See how many diyas I have painted with the paint left over from the sponge brush. So try it out next time. First, I am decorating these 2 diya stands which I want to use near the main door. For decorating this, I am using this silver color acrylic paint marker for the lines which is already carved on that diya stand. If the acrylic marker is not available, we can use the paint brush and we can directly paint it. For decorating these diyas, I have brought these kundans and mirrors from the local stores. I have used these in my previous video also. I have brought from local stores. If you are unable to go, we can find these in Amazon also. While traveling to India, please bring while coming back. This will be helpful in many of DIYs. Here I am using Fevi-glue for sticking all these mirrors and kundans. I did try to use the glue gun also, but I find it difficult to stick all these small ones by using glue gun. See how beautiful these are. If you are in India, try it out. This will be a grand festive look for the main door as well as for the puja room also. For the Diya Urli also, the flower is already curved. Here I am just doing the silver lines or silver paint to the already curved flower. Different shapes and different sizes of kundans and mirrors are available in market as well as in online also. I like these so much. If these are available by hand, we can use in many more traditional DIYs for the upcoming next year festivals also. Since we can't get all these in US by the time we want, it will be better to carry whenever we travel to India or whenever we are planning for parcel. Since I want my urle always to be at a little bit height, I am using this as the base. If you don't want it, you can use this as another urli also. So I am decorating this also a little bit so that my sister can use both. This is how it was coming out at the last. See how beautiful this was looking now. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends and family. If you try any one of my videos, please share your pic with me on my Instagram. This is the first urli with diyas, and the base one which I have decorated, we can use that one also as another urli like now. The two diya stands at the main door looks beautiful, aren't they? Keep watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.